Good evening, students. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Students, now is the session of business study. Okay. In the previous session, we had discussed about coordination, and the topic was how coordination is the essence of management. And through that discussion, we came to a conclusion that management is not a separate function of coordination is not a separate function of management. Rather, it is the essence of management. Why it is required to be established, it is required to be achieved in all the functions performed by management, whether it is planning or it is organizing, staffing, directing or controlling. Okay students, clear now? And today we shall discuss the next topic, that is management is needed at all levels. Coordination is needed at all levels of management. Okay. We have already understood what is called coordination. Coordination means creating a balance in the organization through proper timing and integration. That is all about coordination we have seen. And the job of coordination is mainly performed by whom? By the managers. And that is why it is said that it is the function of management, or you can say the most important function of management. Why? The effectiveness, the presence, the success of management in fact is realized in terms of the coordination established by it throughout the organization. Okay. Now, what is management? Is management an individual person or a group? Certainly it is a group. Group of whom? Group of those persons who are engaged in managerial activities, who are engaged in performing managerial functions. What are the managerial activities and what are the managerial functions we have discussed. Okay. And this group of management, this group that is called management in an organization is divided into 3 levels. Okay. What are these 3 levels? We know the top level, middle level and the lower level. Okay. At the top level also there is not only one individual person but a group of persons engaged in managerial activities which have to be performed by this level, such as formulation of plan, determination of objectives, assembling of resources and many more functions we have discussed in the previous class. Okay. So in fact a group of managers is engaged in performing different functions of the top level management, and those persons who are engaged in performing different functions of top level management are doing different activities, but for achievement of the same goal, for the achievement of the common goal. Okay. Here is also a need of coordination to be established between the activities to be performed by all those persons who are performing managerial activities at top level. Right? Now, the question arises, who will build up coordination at this level? The students. The managers who are working at this level will establish coordination in between them under the guidance of one boss, one head, who might be the general manager, chairperson, or might be the board of directors or any other post. Okay, CEO, chief executive officer, or etc. So we can conclude that coordination is needed at top level management. Similarly, when we look upon the middle level management, we will find that this level of management is also divided into different groups. And these groups of management are called different departments. They are production department, sales department, marketing department, finance department, personal department, etc. All these departments operate under the supervision, guidance and instructions of one boss, one head, who are called departmental managers. They may be production manager, sales manager, marketing manager, finance manager, personal manager, etc. Okay. Although these managers are working at the same level, their designations and authorities are same. Despite they are performing different activities, the sales manager is managing the activities related to sales, the production manager is managing the activities related to production, the finance manager is managing the activities related to finance, and so on. Okay. So don't you feel here is the need of coordination? Certainly here is the need of coordination. If a proper integration of the activities is not done, and timing and scheduling is not maintained, and if a balance is not created, then no department will work properly. Okay, so a coordination has to be established by departmental managers among themselves, among the activities being performed by them, as well as among the persons who are performing, who are working at this level under the supervision and guidance of their departmental managers. As a whole, as a group, then we will find that there is an immense use of coordination, there is a requirement of coordination, and in fact, without establishing proper coordination, the goals of the organization can neither be achieved. Thus, we may conclude that since a group works at middle level, there is a group effort at middle level also, thus there is a need of coordination. Okay, come to the next one. What happens at lower level of management? There are many managers who work at lower level to control the activities at ground level, at workshop. Who are these managers? These managers are called basically supervisors, in charges, foremen, inspectors. Okay, and they also manage the activities, control the activities of their own jurisdictions, such as the activity of a supervisor is related to supervision. The activity of an inspector is to inspect the things, whether they are being performed properly or not. And other managers also will perform their own activities of their own capacity or jurisdiction. Okay, but they also have to make their collective efforts towards accomplishment of the common goal. Thus, here is a need of coordination to be established between the efforts made by all supervisors, in charges, etc., working at lower level. Not only this, but below the lower level of management, there is a platform area where the operative working force works. Okay, and that is why lower level management is also called the first line management. So a coordination is required to be established between the activities to be performed at platform area as well as the activities performed at lower level management. Okay, now you can say coordination is needed at lower level of management also. What is the conclusion? It is needed at top level, it is needed at middle level, it is needed at lower level. And if you consider management as a whole, including all the three levels, you will find that there is a group effort. Group effort of whom? Group effort of those persons who are engaged in doing managerial activities. Okay? So from this point of view, if we consider management as a whole, as a group, then we will find that there is an immense use of coordination. There is a requirement of coordination, and in fact, without establishing proper coordination, the goals of the organization can neither be achieved. Thus, since a group operates in the organization as management, therefore we can say that management is needed at coordination is needed at all levels of management. Okay, and now students, better you go through this topic from the textbook and converse with me if you have some confusions and doubts. Okay, tomorrow I would like to start the new topic of the same chapter, and till then, thank you.